So in this video, I want to show you this indicator that is a moving average. As you all know, in TradingView, if you want to use the free version, they only give you access to 2 indicators. You can't have access to more than 2 indicators except you pay the premium version, right? So in this video, I will show you a moving average. If you are the trader that uses moving average and you require maybe more than 2 moving averages, which if you say you want to put 3, they will ask you to pay money, right? So but in this video, I'll show you a simple moving average that you can use and you can edit it to your standard, right? So you just go to your indicators and search for EMA 20. The indicator will come up. You see this particular one by Dr. Sweet. You click on it. So once you click on it, you come to under settings. You open the settings, right? Then you can see that 20 is the red one, the 50 is this orange color, the 100 is this one, and the 200 is this particular. So you can just change it to any settings of your choice. So let's go into the settings. This one, we can leave it like this. If you want, you can change the color to another color if you want. Just increase the boldness of the thickness of the line, right? Let's go to the second one, the 50. So come to this one, you can just change this color to make it a bit different from the red one because it's almost look alike. Let's change it to green. Then you can increase the opacity, change the thickness to this second one. So now the third one, we don't need this 100 one. With this strategy, I want to show you. Just remove it, untick it. Then this last one, which is the 200, you can make it, change it to, let's say, yellow, for example, the other ones, right? So now our indicator is set. This is a very simple strategy that works on all time frame, on all currency pair, you can use it on crypto, on forex market, anything. So you click on OK, right? So now, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video so that others will benefit. So in this video, I'll be showing you this strategy on the scalping side. You can use it to scalp, you can use it for long time projection, you can use it on a higher time frame. So now after you set your indicator, this particular indicator, you go to the higher time frame to see the overall trend of the day, right? Let's see, for example, let's just go to 4 hours, for example. So now we're in 4-hour time frame on gold, you can see. So now you can see that on this 4-hour time frame, let me go to the end side. So you can see that clearly the market is bullish, right? You can see that on 4-hour time frame, which is higher, the market is extremely bullish, right? So now since we want to scalp, let's go back to our 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame to use this strategy. So remember, we said since the overall trend is bullish, we'll be scalping only buy, right? We'll be scalping only buy. Though you can sell with this strategy on a lower time frame, but the risk is kind of higher. I hope you get the risk a bit higher, but because it's scalping, you can actually do both buy and sell in scalping, right? So now, how do you trade this? You wait for a crossover. You see this crossover, you can see these 3 beautiful crossover. Let me zoom it for you to see very well. Let me zoom it for you to see. So you can see this beautiful crossover here. The 3-line, the 2-line crossover our 200 EMA. Remember the yellow line, which is thicker, is our 200 EMA, which is a long time projection, moving average. Then the 20 and the 50 are shorter, right? So now there's a crossover here, which gives us the access to enter. For conservative traders, they can enter immediately after this crossover, right? for aggressive traders, I mean. So but conservative traders will want to wait for a pullback here. You can see this pullback around this zone here, and after the pullback it tested this 20 EME, right? So I always want to wait for this to happen sometimes, but you can actually just enter here. Like I said, if you're a conservative, if you're a aggressive trader, you can enter immediately after the close of this big candlestick and the crossover, which shows that okay, yes, truly this market is going up. You enter, or you wait for this to happen. After the pullback, you wait for this candlestick to close, which engulf this one, right? Then you enter for a long position. You enter for a long position. You can see either way it works perfectly, but what you can put your stop loss just below this your 20 EME or the 50 EME, just to give your trade a breathing space in case of any market manipulation also. And your TP, you can just target two times your what's it called, your SL. I hope you get. You can target two times your XL, and you can see that this market hits TP. So even if, for example, you entered here, let's say you entered here, we said after the close of this candle we see a crossover, we enter. So our stop loss will be very tight, just below here or below this candle, right? And our TP should be at least 2 times or 1.5 our stop loss. You can see how this market play out, right? So remember, like I said, since the overall trend is a buy, you can actually follow the trend, or you can do both sides. You can see we have a crossover here, but the sell is a bit shorter. We have a little short sell here. We'll have a crossover, and we said our stop loss should be just below this thing, you can see, or below this candle. So if you stick to the rule, and we said our TP should be just 2 times our stop loss, you can see that this hit our TP also. Even in this buy projection, you can see we have a crossover, and our stop loss should just be below here, right? And if you check very well, you can see that this hits our TP also. So we can go on and on and on. You can see how it's working perfectly, right? We have a crossover here also of these two candles. Like I told you, you should concentrate on the buy most of the time. If the higher time frame, it shows that the market is a long position, I would advise you just focus on mainly on the buy if you are a very conservative trader, but you can actually trade both ways, right? So let's go to higher time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame, for example, and see how the market is playing out there. So this is the 1 hour time frame right here. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have the crossover here. We have the crossover here. You can see it. We have the crossover here. We have a retest here. You can see we have another retest here. It keep retesting and rejecting, going further. You can see. So you have the opportunity to enter these trades after the close of the candlestick, right? Or you see a pullback candlestick, or a doji, or a pin bar around the 20 EME. So this is how to trade this strategy. I hope you understand this, and you will try it on your demo account before going live. You can see, let me put a long projection for you to see how this works. You put your stop loss just here, and you can see how far this market went to. So you can just keep adjusting your stop loss from here. You move your stop loss to here, right? If you want to stay longer in the market, okay, you wait for a pullback, it came back, you move your stop loss here, you give it a bit breathing space, you keep moving your stop loss, you keep moving your stop loss and keep adding more position, as in keep increasing your TP, your take profit, your take profit. Instead of you going out just, let's say, and targeting just 2 times your stop loss, you aim for higher. You aim for higher, and you make a lot of money out of this. So you see, you can see we have another crossover here. You have another crossover here. You wait for a pullback, for example, you enter the trade. You can see how it goes. We'll have another one here, which is a sell projection also. You wait for the crossover, which happen. You wait for a candlestick to close below, then you enter for a short position, right? Let's say you enter the market here after the close of this candle, and you put your SL just below this place, and you target 2 times your SL. And like I said, you can keep moving your take profit, your stop loss. If you want to aim higher, you can keep moving your stop loss until you're satisfied, until the market goes and hits your stop loss, which will give you higher profit. I hope you get the strategy, right? So try this, like I said, on your demo account, and let me know in the comment section if you have tried this before. If this is your first time coming across this video, kindly do well to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Like this video, share this video, and we also have a Telegram channel where we drop free signals and trading insight. If you are not yet in our Telegram channel, I'll drop the link in the description of this video for you to join. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.